TitanFlex heavy-duty nitrile gloves feel reassuringly sturdy, with a thick 6mm construction that stands up well to rough mechanical and industrial work without tearing easily. The raised diamond grip pattern really shines when handling oily tools or wet parts, giving a noticeably more secure hold than standard smooth nitrile gloves. Their bright orange color is highly visible in cluttered or dim workspaces, which makes it easier for others to see your hands around moving equipment and improves overall job site awareness. The nitrile material provides strong resistance to many common shop chemicals, oils, and solvents, while still allowing enough flexibility to handle small fasteners and delicate components. These gloves are comfortable for long stretches because they are latex-free, powder-free, and shaped to fit snugly without feeling stiff or overly tight at the cuffs. Beyond automotive and mechanical tasks, they prove useful for painting, cleaning, and general maintenance. So one box can cover a wide range of messy jobs at home or at work.